Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dizzy butterfly effect on a Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Capcut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see on details. This one, you can click on it, and in here you can see this dizzy butterfly effect. This is the newest effect on a Capcut. You can click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter, for the number, for the sticker, for the horizontal shift, and after this for the vertical shift. And now you can click check icon at the bottom. After this, you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add dizzy butterfly effect on a Capcut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.